Who would have guessed that in 2020 a global pandemic would turn our lives upside down? Stay-at-home orders have caused many people to reflect on their lives, their work, and future, making your visit to this website extremely relevant. I'm Darren Powers, and make no mistake, these are uncertain times. Uncertainty is the new normal, as it was during 9/11 or the 2008 Wall Street crash, and now the COVID-19 pandemic. These are the times to take stock of our talents, abilities, and our passions. We can be anxious and fearful, or we can build on our strengths, set goals, and ready ourselves to create an even brighter future by choice, not by chance. So on this website, you'll discover hands-on resources, whether it's my forthcoming do-it-yourself online course or one-on-one consultations. Each tool is dedicated to giving you powerful and proven process essential now and over the course of your lifetime to achieve personal and professional goals, overcome internal obstacles to success, reduce stress, pain, struggle, become more secure and mindful and healthy. Whatever your life's vision, I'm here to be a reliable and practical resource to help your business or professional life function more effectively now and well into your future. So I invite you to get your detailed one-page Future Vision 5-step checklist. Simply fill out your name and email below and you'll get immediate access. And be sure to check two more of our resources. First, I offer one-on-one coaching sessions to guide you through the 5 steps to harness your passion in the new normal, which can be done in person or on Zoom. Just click on the Learn More button below. Secondly is the do-it-yourself online 5-step video course with video program, step-by-step guidance, ebook, and checklist. Click on the Learn More button below. Hope to hear from you soon. This is Darren Powers. Thank you for listening. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for being you.